we've got Midnight here. He's a dog that's come to us from a lady that rescued him in Cincinnati. He's been to the Kentucky Humane Society twice trying to get into their behavior program. He's not been passing the food aggression portion of their test. So what we're going to do is just kind of talk a little bit about what a lot of these rescue groups are looking for in an evaluation of the dog. You can see he's interested in the environment. He's pretty relaxed, you know, he's not nervous about anything, which is good. Midnight. He responds a little bit to his name. You know, he's taking food very gently from me. So he's doing well with that. He's letting me pet him, letting me touch him. That's a good boy. Kind of getting down with him a little bit. He's not getting in my face. Letting me pick up a paw. Midnight. He's responsive to the handler, so this is good. You know, he's going to be able to have some focus with us. But he's been failing the resource guarding portion of the behavior assessment. So what I'm going to do is just let him see this sleeve. I don't have a fake arm or anything that we'll be using. So I'm just going to let him make sure that we show here that he's not aggressive with the sleeve. This isn't what's bothering him. This isn't what's setting him off. If it is, we would have to find something else to test him with the resource guarding. So we're going to use, I don't want to get too tangled up in the leash here. We're going to use some hot dog pieces here. What I'm going to do is set these down on the ground and see what he's going to let me do. Because he is starting some training, if he does start to get aggressive at all, we're actually going to go ahead and pull him away from the food immediately so that he's not rewarded with growling and having a person back away and him being allowed to continue eating the food. So, go ahead and set him down there. And I'm just going to pet his back. He's letting me do that. He's letting me get into the food bowl a little bit. Trying to push him out of it. So this is a little bit different than what we were seeing at the Humane Society where he was vocalizing and growling. Again, the prop that they use is a fake arm or a fake hand. This is a little bigger and bulkier. He was definitely pushing me out of the way. He wasn't going to let me just take it. But again, we weren't quite getting the same growling that we were with the equipment that they used. So I'm going to go ahead and take some Bill Jack treats here. Put those in there. Use my hand. See if he'll let me move out of the way. I'm going to put this in his way again. So, yeah, we've got a dog that, for them, he's been growling. It could be the equipment that they've been using that's setting him off a lot too. You know, those fake arms, if dogs have never seen them before, can be very, you know, upsetting to them. We'll also test him. They were using some canned food that was warmed up with some water. He had a whole lot more of it in the bowl than just the hot dog pieces there. But you know, this isn't a dog that's nervous or afraid about you taking food from you. He was pushing me out of the way as much as I was pushing him. So we'll go ahead and start working with him on some training behaviors with that. But we should see some quick progress with him. So just look forward to some videos in the future here. We'll show the training process on how we work with these kinds of dogs as well.